your own watch. Maybe you identify as a content creator first and entrepreneur second. Just remember that even Drake sells t-shirt. Alternately, you are an entrepreneurship first and video creator second, which means you probably already have a product and you are designing your YouTube marketing strategy to sell it. Either way, merchandise is a viable way to earn money from YouTube. Step 1. Imagine and design your product. Merchandise for your channel is meant to both represent and feed your audience connection with you. That means your merch should be unique. Havian YouTube star Ryan Higa launched his milk-based energy drink Ninja Milk to leverage the popularity of his viral comedy Ninja Milk, while he also sells t-shirt and other merch from his online shop. Ninja Milk's appeal is broad enough it has its own website. Pro tip: you might have more ideas for merch than you can possibly stock, so start by dipping your toes in the water with one or two items, but make sure you engage your audience in the decision making process. Poll them as to what they want, or build buzz by offering one off product related to big subscribe count milestones. Step 2. Source and or build your product. In most cases, you will need a manufacturer, supplier, or wholesaler to make and deliver your product. Some suppliers will deliver it to you, and some will spare you the headaches of inventory, shipping, and returns by handling it themselves. If you are not sure where to start, check out Shopify how to on the topic of finding a brick and mortar company to make your dream a reality. Step 3. Create your shop and landing page. You will need a separate website to handle purchases. If you want to link it directly from your videos, and you do refer to YouTube's list of approved merchandise sites. Step 4. Enable your YouTube partner merchandise shelf. YouTube partner can also use the shelf features to sell their channel's merchandise. If you are eligible, follow YouTube instruction to enable it. Step 5. Promote your product in your video. There, this is where your charm comes in. Wear or use your merch in your videos. Feature viewers who have bought and are using it. If we were on another platform, we might call this user generated content or possibly solid gold. And don't forget to add your store's link to your video's descriptions and include end screens and cards with compelling calls to action. Pro tip: don't forget to say thank you, because it's polite, but also because it's an excuse to remind people how great and popular your product is one more time. Create sponsored content. You don't have to be on Instagram to be an influencer. The advantage of the fast spawn strategy is that you don't have to give YouTube a cut of your earning. You negotiate directly with the brand and they pay you directly. No wonder it's a popular way for your YouTuber to make money. If you can offer brands a large and or engaged audience, and your content is relevant to their target market, they probably want to hear from you. For instance, YouTube Aaron Marino, aka Alpha M, is big in the men's lifestyle space. How big? So big that even his video that explain his brand partnership have brand partners. Step 1. Find a brand to partner with. Quality is important when it comes to the name you work with. You probably already have a wish list of dream brands, whether you are aiming for the stars or building yourself up grassroots style. Make sure you perfect your brand pitch before you send it. Also consider signing up with an influencer marketing platform. These are intermediary websites that help marketing teams find appropriate influencers to work with. Famebit was one the first to focus on YouTube, for instance. Step 2, make a deal. According to this recent study by influencer marketing platform Clear, YouTube videos are average the most expensive type of sponsored content brands can buy from influencers. Basically, YouTube influencers are able to charge more for their videos than they would for Instagram stories or Facebook post, because video is just more expensive to produce. While your rate will vary on your audience size, engagement, and relevance to your potential partner. Know your worth before you sign a contract. Step 3, be transparent about your sponsored ad. Sponsored content is advertising. That means you need to make sure you are in step with Google's ad policies. The FTC US and ASA UK both have guidelines of which you should be aware to if you are Americans or British. Transparency is good for your legal health but also for your relationship with your audience. YouTube has a visible disclosure feature to help you make sure your audience is aware that you are advertising to them. 4. Become an affiliate partner. If your YouTube audience is loyal and engaged but not quite there yet head count wise, look for companies investing in affiliate marketing. YouTubers affiliated with businesses encourage their viewers to visit the brand's online store or specific product pages. They then get a percentage of sales made through their, you guessed it, affiliate links. In terms of setup and logistics, affiliate partnership are similar to sponsored content deals, so follow the step from tip #3 to get started. 5. Get your fans to pay you directly. This strategy for marketing money on YouTube a few different income streams, but they all have one thing in common. You have to make it easy for your fans to show their appreciation with their credit card. Step 1, how host live chats where people can use super chat. In early 2017, YouTube replaced their previous funding features with super chat. This is feature that is only available to YouTube partner while they live stream. Essentially, your viewers can make their comments more visible. They are highlighted and pinned for a set amount of time, depending on how much they pay in the live streams.